Hello everyone, welcome to Panacea Tutor. Let's begin with our today's current affairs session. Before I begin, I would like you all to please press the bell icon on your screen and subscribe to Panacea Tutor. Let's begin with the current affairs for the day. So my first current affairs covers the date itself. Yes, 14th January is not celebrated just as Makar Sankranti in India, but it is also celebrated as your National Dress Up Your Pet Day. This basically means that you can dress your pet according to your wishes and whims. Various kinds of competitions are organized all over India to mark this day and its significance all over the world. The second day, which is celebrated on 14th January every year, is Armed Forces Veterans Day. We have started celebrating this day since 2017. Basically, to give our remembrance, to give a mark to the veterans who have served our nation, we have started celebrating this day, rightly known as Armed Forces Veterans Day. Moving on to my next segment, Mr. S. Somnath has been appointed as the new chairman of ISRO. ISRO stands for Indian Space Research Organization. It is basically our national space agency. It's headquartered in Bangalore, which is in your Karnataka state, basically your capital of Karnataka. It was established in 1969 and a good news has been derived for the same. By 2030, we'll be having our first space station, right? Like we have International Space Station by NASA, which is an American space agency company. India will also soon have an International Space Station, right? Moving on to my next segment, which covers Henley's Passport Index. India has been ranked 83 in Henley's Passport Index amongst 111 countries. Henley's Passport Index basically covers all the world's passports according to the number of destinations that people can travel without a visa. India can travel to 60 countries at present without visa. This is how strong our Indian passport is. This index has been topped by, again, Singapore and Japan. Singapore and Japan have the strongest passport in the whole world. Yes. Moving on to my next segment, which covers National Statistical Organization's two important news. This day has been rightly marked to grow Indian economy by a range of 9.2% in 2022, plus the retail inflation will grow at 5.59%. This is because of increasing food prices. Right? This retail inflation is basically calculated in terms of consumer price index. Right? Moving on to my next segment, which covers your Golden Globe Awards. Golden Globes Awards 79th edition has been recently enacted. This is basically an American industry awards. In this, your Power of Dog has been awarded as the best drama movie series. Then Will Smith has been given your Best Actor Award, and Nicole Kidman has been awarded your Best Actress. Right? Moving on, what phenomena in your geography causes your winter rainfall in northern hemisphere. Recently, lots of rains and lots of snowfalls are being witnessed in various regions in the northern part of our country. This phenomena is basically due to western disturbances. Basically, these are winds called westerlies which originate from Mediterranean Sea. This is basically your Africa. On the coast of Africa here, this water body that you can see, this is your Mediterranean Sea. From here these winds originate towards your India and bring the much needed winter rainfall. Basically a high pressure area is created in this region, and winds always travel from high pressure region to low pressure region. These winds find a low pressure region here in the northern hemisphere of India. So these winds travel rightly from high pressure area to your lower pressure area. This is how your rainfall mechanism occurs in your northern hemisphere in winters, right? That's all for your current affairs for the day. Thank you for being part of us, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and families, and boost your government exams preparation with us here at Panacea Tutor. Thank you.